It's gonna have. I'm probably gonna start with these two.
Okay.
In my big white 212 box that I have. This is gonna be right here behind the front seats.
Okay.
I'm gonna take it out of the trunk.
Yep.
Because the trunk's just soaking it up.
Can I get him on this first?
Hey, remember the red Focus?
Yep.
That was me.
410s.
Yep. I'm getting ready to take the 212 box that I've already made for the Focus. And it's going to go right where these seats are.
Okay. Appreciate it. Awesome. Your name and what's in here, man?
What's that?
What's your name and everything in here?
My name's Brad. I got two 12-inch Pioneer Champion Series Pros on Sound Digital 1200.1 Evo. It's kind of a temporary setup right now. I've only had the car for a couple of months, and the box is not a custom build.
Okay.
So it's just kind of thrown in to make it down here.
Okay.
The doors have been on an amplifier for 3 days.
All right.
And they're a Pioneer D series with the soft dome plates on them.
Okay.
And they're powered about 100 watts RMS per speaker from a 4-channel Pioneer amp.
All right.
And it's on a 2660 NEX from Pioneer as well.
All right. Demo time. Sounds good.
And it's all music. It doesn't really like lows at all right now.
Okay. All right. Nice and
It's not as good as what I had, but
hey, it's better than nothing.
it's gonna have. I'm probably gonna start with these two.
Okay.
In my big white 212 box that I have. This is gonna be right here behind the front seats.
Okay.
I'm gonna take it out of the trunk.
Yep.
Because the trunk's just soaking it up.
Yes, sir. Could you do some subflex for me real quick?
Yeah.
Appreciate it. What's going on, everyone? I'm JacobViral. I do daily car audio YouTube videos. I hope you enjoyed the full walker, and we just got a Brad system at the TDH show in Virginia of 2021. This right here was the thumbnail at the time for his previous system video link. I went ahead and put in the description. He was talking about, if I remember, I definitely remember he was playing 410s down to 20 hertz. Definitely got to check that out after. So he has a 3-inch error port between both of his dual Pioneer Champion Series 12-inch sub. I didn't get the exact tuning or box specs, but it did get pretty low, but it didn't play down anything below 30 hertz as he was even saying. You can already give him a like. He did a really great job showcasing it at the show. He has a 1200 watt amplifier wired down to, I'm going to say, 1 ohm. These are probably dual 4 ohm subs wired to 1 ohm on the EVO X Sound Digital 1200. Didn't see any extra batteries or upgraded electrical for alternator, but he got the job done. I'm looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. I got a good bit of outside flex, sub flex, and some inside cabin flex. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio YouTube videos coming your way every day, and enjoy the demo.
So she come fuck me, forget that. Next time you bring me
just soaking it up.
Yes, sir. Thank you for the demo. Nice to meet you again.